Have you ever imagined repairing cracked wood using nothing but a welding rod? It sounds impossible, but this guy came up with a surprisingly clever solution. Instead of replacing the board or using large screws, he used a welding rod to reinforce the wood and stop the crack from spreading. The result is strong, durable, and surprisingly practical. The best part is that this simple trick can save a piece of wood that most people would throw away. After seeing this technique, I'll never look at a welding rod the same way again.